textbook credit. And really what it falls under is, it really falls under the American Opportunity Credit, which is now available in 2009 and 2010. It used to be called the Hope Credit, and I'm sure your parents know all about the Hope Credit, but it has replaced the Hope Credit for 2009 and 2010. The major difference is, in the past, it always covered tuition and expenses, or just tuition, and that was after financial aid. And it didn't cover really related qualifying expenses that included textbooks. It was only if you went to a specific vocational school or a profession like nursing or barbershop or mechanic or something like that, where you had to buy from the school. So now they've expanded that to include the related qualifying expenses, now include just straight course, textbooks, and supplies. So you can actually take that off now in 2009 and 2010. In 2011, the Hope Credit will come back and you'll lose these. And so the gist of the American Opportunity Credit is, for the first 4 years, you can take up to $2,500 a year. And it's 100% of the first $2,000. And usually that got wiped out because, you know, your tuition, and you didn't have anything left after financial aid. And it was just $2,000. But now the textbook, students are spending anywhere from $300 to $1,000 on textbooks now. So it's a great tax benefit. And it came from the February 17th, 2009, President Obama signed in the American Opportunity Tax Credit, and it is part of the AARA of 2009, American Recovery Reinvestment Act of 2009. So it's just a little piece of it. I mean, there's lots and lots of other pieces that go into it, but you asked me about the textbook credit, and it's for 2009 and 2008.
Oh, great. Are there any any new hoops that people will have to jump through to have this credit apply?
No,
or
that's the beauty of it. That's the beauty of it. The hoop in the past used to be that it had to be specific type expenses, and it wasn't just, everybody always thought, you know, textbooks are expensive and we're going to get, and it wasn't. The hoop was, you had to go to a vocational school. You had to have bought the textbooks from the school that required it, to buy it from them. Like I said, for nursing, you had to buy the stethoscope or whatever from them. Hairdressing, you had to buy the beauty supplies. Mechanic, you had to buy the tools from them. Now it just covers all textbooks up to those limits that I was talking about.
Okay, great. That's all.